Hi guys, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the like button. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite products and how I'm turning that into a really nice gift idea. One of my favorite products is called Avon Flavor Savers. It's a strawberry scent, strawberry flavored lip balm, and I absolutely love it. I actually have it on right now. It gives a great tint, gives a little bit of a gloss. You can take it on the go. And what I'm doing with this is I'm making into a really cute gift idea. I saw this from another representative posting it onto their social media, and it gave me a great idea to share this with my viewers as well. So I put this in this really cute lip balm holder, and it has a really cute keychain with it. So this is what it looks like without it. Okay, so I got one of these. All right, I got a whole bunch of them actually from Amazon, and you can actually see it up close. All right, it's really cute. What I did was this little opening here, just put the lip balm in there and just close it up, and it became a really cute gift idea. I absolutely love it. I think they're super cute, super adorable. They make a great gift, not just for the holidays, for the year round as well, because they've got such cute prints on it. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a close-up of all the prints that I do have. All right, this way you can see and get an idea of it. Floral print, patterns, animals, you know, different for men, for women. Makes a great gift for everybody in general. So if you're interested in this, and also if you're interested in the lip favors, I will post the websites down below. You can get the Flavor Savers on AzraBeautyHub.com. You can get the lip balm holders on the Amazon link below. Again, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. If you have any questions or let me know what you think about this, please be sure to share a comment on the page below. Thank you, keep smiling, and have a great day.